Hey guys, do you want to uplift your lifestyle? Check out our showrooms up north for the best finds.
Welcome to True Vision Green Hills. Hi, I'm JC at andito tayo ngayon sa showroom. We have a different products like TV stand, standing table, monitor arms, dual and single arm, and ang pinaka bestseller natin, TV 49-486. Ito yung isa sa bestseller nating product. This is a full motion TV wall mount bracket. Ang capacity weight nito is 75 kilos. Screen size capacity na 37 to 90 inches. Magandahan dito na move siya left or right or kung tinatawag nating swivel na maaari nating magamit conveniently sa pamamahay natin. Ito naman sa bago natin. This is aluminum rotating TV stand. Pwede mo siyang portrait and landscape. Napaka-easy lang siya. Then adjustable yung height niya. Meron din po tayong adjustable shelf. And this is a 50 kilos capacity weight na hanggang 37 to 86 inches na TV size. If you want to see more riding, kindly visit us True Vision Green Hills and we will assist you.
Hi! Welcome to True Vision QC. Meron po kaming wall bracket, standing desk, TV stand, at marami pang iba. Meron din po kaming video wall mount, TV 007-48F, and 37 to 70 inches na po siya. Pwede po siya sa mga mall.
And that would be our last showroom. Catch us next time to visit our showrooms down south. Thanks for watching!